Mike. Can you not put a net on your head? Oh, I do. Oh, no, that's a hit. That's a hit. Let's see. You want your slack to be a little tight.
I got a hit.
A little tight, a little tight. Oh, I think Mommy's got a fish. Reel it in, Mommy.
Reel it!
Reel it in, Mommy. Reel it in. Oh,
I got
catfish.
I got a catfish.
Oh, I think Mommy needs a picture with her fish.
Mommy caught a fish today.
Oh, you gotta hold.
Fishable.
You gotta hold it like this.
Oh, I gotta hold it. All right.
Hold your fish. Oh, oh. Go, pull. Reel him in, Mike. You got him. Reel him in. Keep that tip up. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going, dude. Keep going. Pull harder. Pull. What'd you get? A catfish.
Oh, it's catfish day.
Catfish too.
All right. A catfish.
I got catfish too.
All right. Hold your fish up for a picture.
It's like.
It's catfish day. Here, hold the string.
Go ahead, Connor. Oh, he's about to hold.
Look at Mommy. All right, let's release this guy, okay?
Yeah. Look at done something. Yeah.
That close? I'll have nice and hold.
Yeah, the more hooks we got going, the better.
Yeah. This came in.
Oh, you're getting hit. You got a fish?
Reel it.
Reel it.
Wheel it. You got it.
Reel him in. Don't
You
stop.
got it.
Don't stop. Reel him in.
I think it's a bass.
Reel him in.
It's.
What do we got? Reel him in.
Wheel him
I
in.
think it's a bass.
Reel him in.
It's.
What do we got? Oh, jumped right off the
I
hook.
think it was a.
That was a
I
bass.
think that was a pumpkin seed.
I think so.
It's a pumpkin seed.
Nice.
I saw a pumpkin seed.
I think
it's
so.
a pumpkin seed.
Nice.
I saw a pumpkin seed. Did you see it?
Nice job.
Yeah, you
Did
wheeled
you
it
take a
all the way
photo of
in.
it at the right time?
I took a video.
was perfect.
So I have the whole video.
Hey,
Looks like.
good job, dude.
Yeah,
See, you can do it.
You did that all by yourself, too.
Yeah.
looks like we saw it go out of the water. It seems like it's been a while since I've caught a pumpkin seed.
So what's a pumpkin seed?
It looks like a bluegill, but it's brighter, I think.
Oh yeah.